Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we will explore how to compose asynchronous functions in JavaScript. This method allows us to create clean, readable function pipelines where each function executes in order. Let's get started. This approach allows us to chain asynchronous operations seamlessly, ensuring that each step completes before the next starts. This function composition ensures that each function completes before the next starts, making it ideal for handling async operations in a structured way. This ensures that even if some functions are synchronous and others are async, they all execute in the correct order. This method ensures that each function receives the previous function's output, handling delays automatically when necessary. This technique is widely used in API calls, data processing, and middleware execution, where async functions must execute one after the other. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to chain async functions to execute in sequence. Try using this in your own projects to handle complex async workflows. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.